Hello guys! Welcome back sa ating channel, Pamilyang Merida. And by the way, my name is Chito. And today's video, I would like to share to you about iPhone. This is really amazing. So this is first ever I see this kind of iPhone. So right here, hindi na tayo mag-unboxing because right here I have the 12 mini, and you can see here our display about iPhone 12. Yes, right, iPhone 12. Okay, so right here I have the units of different brand new and first ever new iPhone. So guys, this is really amazing. Right here I have the 12. This one is the 12 mini. So hindi na tayo mag-unboxing kasi na-unbox na nga po guys. So mega shout out nga pala sa ating friend dyan, si Irene Ranyin. Right here.
Hi guys!
Okay? So siya po, si Irene Ranyin. Please follow her YouTube channel and also Kling Memoirs. So guys, if you have a comment or a concern and you know about the pricing, you can visit our Facebook page, Fortress Bohol. Okay? So right there, right here. So you can ask or about the pricing or whatever you can, we can serve you. So guys, this is really amazing. The iPhone 12 mini. Okay? This is brand new. So right here also I have the iPhone 12. As you can see right here. So also the iPhone 12 Pro right here. So very nice. And also the iPhone 12 Pro Max right here. So guys, this is the specs for iPhone 12 and also the iPhone 12 mini, and also this is the specs for iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, so guys, and this is also the specs for iPhone 12 Pro Max. So guys, that's all. Maybe we end up this video, and guys, I do hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comments, and subscribe to my channel, Pamilyang Merida. And that's all. God bless and bye-bye.